Hello everyone and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode, this time about how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to generate leads. I'm Marisa Metsikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look at this LinkedIn Sales Navigator. When done right, LinkedIn Sales Navigator helps you find and connect with high quality leads, making prospecting more efficient. It's a powerful tool designed for sales professionals, marketers, and business owners looking to expand their network and increase conversion. So usually when I'm going to my Sales Navigator, I just go to the linkedin.com/sales, and this is how it looks like. So how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find the right prospects. Here you should use the advanced search filters because this is really cool. And like for example, company size, industry, and seniority level to refine your search so that you can see here, for example, following your company, or if they posted recently on LinkedIn, how is their seniority, for example, director. You can also choose different industry levels, etc. And when you define your prospects, you can also then save searches to receive updates on new leads matching your criteria. So you just click on save, and you can then follow them, what is going on in your Sales Navigator homepage, because here you are getting all of the new updates into your feed about the prospects without needing to follow or to connect. Also, you can leverage the spotlight feature to find prospects who are active on LinkedIn and more likely to respond. Another really cool feature is LinkedIn InMail. So these things actually improves outreach success. InMail allows you to message people outside your network. How cool is that? Personalized and well-crafted email increase the chances of engagement, and you can also reach potential employers or clients without waiting for them to accept your request. So how to do that is you find a specific account. So as we did before, so leads filters, we just put, for example, some of the filters, so we get some person, and when we click on that person, we can actually then message the person with the subject and the message, and then they will receive the email, which means they receive an email into their mailbox and they can reply. So best practices for lead nurturing here are 4. So the first one is that you should save the leads and check their updates regularly to engage at the right moment. So you should make your lists and also manage your leads here. Then the second one is to build relationships first before pitching a service or the product. So don't just like write people, hey, this is my course page, buy it. But you want to have really for example, relationship. You want to get on the call with the person, you want to target them, you want to comment. Then the third one is avoid sending generic message. For example, you should mention a shared interest or recent post to increase the acceptance rates. And the fourth one is that you should follow up consistently, but do it in a way that adds value to the person, such as, for example, sharing some insights or offering a solution, so that it's not just like generic, hey, what's up? Then there are also some of the trade-offs of using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So it has great features, but it requires a financial commitment. So it's a bit pricey, and also it doesn't guarantee immediate responses. So social selling is about patience and relationship building. So even though you invest the money and the time, it doesn't mean that there will be the return of investment if you don't have the great strategy. So definitely you should revise your strategy every time when you are using the new tool. And that's it. So I'm Marisa Metsikova, the founder and CEO of Mario Olivier Ltd. Follow me on the LinkedIn, Also, you can go on my website, mariolivi.com, get in touch, and let me know if you need help with anything, with the branding consultation, if you want me to do an audit of your LinkedIn profile, help with marketing funnel or digital products. So get in touch and don't hesitate to subscribe and like the content so that you also receive update about the next time. And I will be looking forward to see you in our next episode. Bye.